Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code, so how to connect and how to use this setting. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So let's see friends how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code on Motorola phone. And first we'll click on Wi-Fi or phone setting, and guys we'll click on Wi-Fi setting. Guys, Wi-Fi setting is off, so we will on. After on Wi-Fi setting, I refresh your Wi-Fi setting, and guys which network guys you want to connect with QR code. So guys, in this phone guys I will share this Wi-Fi, and this phone guys we will connect Wi-Fi without enter any password. So first I will connect this network. As you can see same network guys here. So if I connect, so I have to enter password. So okay, without enter password guys, how to connect Wi-Fi? Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see this icon on your Motorola phone, scanner. Friends, you can see scan QR code, join Wi-Fi by scanning a QR code. So we will scan this QR code. We will click here Wi-Fi QR code, and friends we will scan. After scan friends, you can see automatic this Wi-Fi network will connect on our Motorola phone, and friends we can use it. As you can see now we can use this Wi-Fi network while operating friends any app. So like that we can connect Wi-Fi network guys with QR code, and friends we can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code on Motorola phone device. And friends you will remove from here. So guys, on your Motorola phone guys, your Wi-Fi network will not remove guys. You can use your Wi-Fi network. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code. So bye bye guys.